bread. Yep.
Oh, got one more back.
This is what my husband comes up with. He's putting bread all over his
Okay, Liz. I'm going to put slices of bread all over Daddy. Do you understand? You understand? Okay. Alright, I'm going to lay down, and you're going to put the bread on me. Okay? Hey. Mommy, I think you should probably
Do you want me to help you? Alright, lay down. Alright, take a slice.
Hold on, let's catch their attention real quick.
There you go. Alright, Lizzie, let's put the bread on him. Here, lay it on him. Slice by slice.
Lay it on me. Here, put it on Daddy, okay? Just like that, okay?
Just like that.
Come on, Liz.
Oh,
Drop it on me.
Keep doing it, Lizzie. I will do it in a minute. Hang on. Keep putting it on there.
Mom, help her out.
Okay. This is so dumb. Oh my God, Ryan.
Putting it on.
Keep doing that, okay?
It's gonna be really, really silly.
Alright. Alright, keep doing it, Liz. Oh my God, this is humiliating.
It's alright. I don't care. I'm having fun. There you go. Just like that.
Here, Liz. Here, I'll take this one.
Keep helping her, Mommy.
Come on, Liz. The birds are just staring. The birds are staring.
Come on, Mommy, help out.
Come on.
Okay. Come on, Liz.
Okay.
They want to come over. They're going to eat your fucking eyeballs out of your face. Here.
It's gonna be really, really silly.
I don't want them shitting on me. Oh, God. Alright, Lizzie, come over here with Mommy.
Mama, take this.
Okay. You are such a fucking idiot. Lizzie, over here, baby. There's a car. Come over here with Mama.
Oh, bastards aren't gonna come, are you?
Ugh. It's the bread man. Oh my God, Lizzie, get over here.
Go make him go away.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Lizzie, cars are coming over here.
Lizzie, go with Mommy now.
How is she gonna take you seriously? Lizzie, there's a car.
Go with Mommy.
Stand over here with me. Okay, let's just watch this. I don't think they're gonna do it. Lizzie, shut up. Can they get slices of bread? Lizzie, there's a car. Can we finish this humiliating activity?
Yes.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
Can I go now?
No.
Oh.
Stop! Stop!
Get mommy.
I will quit recording.
Come on.
Stop!
In front of mommy.
Lizzie Grace, over here, baby. Stop! Too much bread. Go get Daddy. Go get him. Ryan, people are leaving because you're so fucking retarded. Can I stop this ridiculous video now? Should I hit pause or stop?
No, we're not done.
Over here, Liz. Go on the other side. Get Daddy. Throw bread at him. Ryan, I will pour your beer out. Black Ops is going bye-bye.
No.
Are we done looking like dumbasses?
Stop now.
Okay.